Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I bought this LED sign for the front of my cottage and I was really pleased with it at first, but within a month it kind of developed this kind of grey patina, and that wasn't a cheap sign. I think we might have even spent £150 on that because it had to be designed specifically for the name of our house. It's got lovely white writing on it, and it would be nice if that white was a bit more contrasted to the LED behind, but the LED has also gone white. So I did complain to the company that we bought this from, and they said yes, it's to be expected and quite common, but there's an easy way of cleaning it. So in this video I'll show you the hack that they suggested to me for cleaning it, and it's this WD-40 and a cloth. Incidentally, that is available as a link in the description box below this video from my Amazon shop. If you buy it through my link, I do get paid a commission. What they said was spray WD-40 on it, give it a wipe, and it should come up back to its original LED colour. It might need a couple of rubs, but it's definitely working. I'm very pleased with that. Let's give it a bit more. Shake, 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 shake. Spray it on. Now, because this is lead, and lead is well known to be poisonous, certainly not good for you. I've got gloves on. Again, the gloves are available as a link below this video. The special thorn-proof gardening gloves, and they are indeed thorn-proof. That side's leather and that side's breathable. They weren't expensive. I think they were only about £7 or £8. That's definitely coming cleaner. As we speak, a small aircraft has decided to go over and disrupt our sound quality, but let's not worry about that. Let's persevere. It's working. It definitely works. Bit of elbow grease. Have you heard that phrase, elbow grease? When I was a child, I remember my dad saying that. Use some elbow grease. What's that all about? And I used to be very confused by what he meant, but it basically means put you back into it. What does put you back into it mean? Look at that. Very pleased with that. Like new. So there's a gardening hack, or a DIY maintenance hack. WD-40 for cleaning up your Leadwork. See you soon for some more gardening DIY hack adventures. Bye for now.